Chantita. Kahit po I'm the granddaughter, but everyone knows her Chantita or Big Mama. And I would say na lahat kami takot sa kanya. So every time we would wear shorty shorts, pag nakabukha ka kami ganyan, kukutin ka niya talaga or pipinutin ka niya. But you know, lahat ng mga kailangan disiplinahin mga apo has to go to Baguio with her. And kahit sa dami ng anak, I would say, she's the hard-working talaga. Although she's housewife, but I would remember every time she would go home sa Manila, tuwing may treatment si Junjun, pupunta ng Divisoria para bumili ng mga paninda. That's how resourceful she is. And you know, lahat na lang aampunin niya, whether PMAers, kung sino man, aampunin niya. So ayun yung dalawang permanente na ampon. Si Kuya Aldo at saka si Kuya Noy. But I would remember, lahat sila magla-lunch sa bahay. And every time, it's always going to be filled with people in the house. Pero lagi siyang may luto para sa lahat. Kung sino pumunta, welcome lahat. So, I would say, lahat ng mga babae sa Badayang Clan, naging Amazona. Kasi po, talagang she is woman of courage. She loves you, pero pagka sutil ka or pilya, may pingot ka or may kurot. But, you know, we have adventures together. So, kami po nagpunta ng Iloilo at one point to find her twin brother. And so, nahanap namin siya, parang kami detective, nagpunta kami ng munisipyo, everything. And then, nahanap namin yung twin brother niya. So, I'm glad na I was part of it. And I love you, Big Mama. And if I'm strong today, it's because of her too.